Hi guys, Miss Allison here with the Anderson County Library, here to share with you another fun and exciting thing to do this spring and summer on a windy day. Guess what it is? You're right, it's a kite. You get to make your very own kite. Now what you're going to need to make your kite is a plastic bag. You're going to need your instructions that were in this bag to complete this. You're going to need your kite template, some pre-cut wire and pre-cut string, and you're going to need to provide yourself some tape, scissors, and a pen or pencil. And this kit can be picked up at any one of your branches of the Anderson County Library system. So you can pick one up at any time that we're open. And now we're ready to learn how to make it. Let's get started. To start making your kite, you're going to cut out the kite from the kite template and trace it onto the plastic bag and cut it out. Then, to make your tail for your kite, you're going to cut off the top part of your plastic bag to where it makes a circle. Then, on the crease of the circle, you're going to cut it. Then we're going to use our wires, the longest piece first, and tape it down the middle of the kite, on the bottom and the top. For the shorter piece of wire, you're going to place it underneath the long wire and tape it on both sides. Then, to make your tail on the end of your kite, you're going to tape it to the very bottom. And our last step is going to be with the string. You're going to tie it around the center point of the wires to where they meet, and you're going to tie a knot with the string. And you may have to tie 2 knots depending on how tight the first knot is tied. And there you have it. String to fly your kite and to make it more sturdy. We hope you've enjoyed this video and have had fun making your kite. For more information, you can check out other resources at your local library and get onto our downloadables of Hoopla for more information. Happy kite flying!